Hello guys, how are you? In this video I will tell you how to remove FRP itel s11 Pro. You can see here verify your account, but I don't remember this Gmail for recover this account. So now go back and I will tell you how to do next. So open this body mobile and you can see here. If you like my videos then subscribe my channel, and you can see here itel s11 Pro, and insert your SIM, any sim. You can see here when you insert your sim, then connect the battery and connect backside cover. You can see here and on power on this mobile. So do it, it will on, and after that I will tell you how to do next. So now you can see here start. Just a second, it will working now. Checking for updates. This may take a minute or two. You can see here setup new, but there are same problem. You can see here. So now I want to recover this mobile. I want to remove FRP this mobile by SIM. You have to click on emergency call and click emergency information. Click on pencil, add the contact number any. You can see here here's no contact number. So now you have to do wait, it will signs number. You can see here sign number, add any number and click on profile. So now click three dot and share it and click on messages. You can see message, hold and message and app info. You can see here app info and scroll down. Yes, SMS app you have to click on and open links. You can see here and scroll down last in YouTube and click on YouTube. After click on icon YouTube, after click app notification. And now guys, additional setting in this app you can see here about and YouTube trims of service. You have to click Google Play service. You can see here Chrome browser open now, no thanks. And now you can see here Chrome browser is open now, and now you have to search here from this browser filefrp.com. You can see here on this screen filefrp.com/bypass. search this website link. When you write link and then you have to click go, do it and scroll down. After now you have to download Google account manager and continue, allow and okay. And now bypass FRP, download this application, okay, and click on three dot and go to downloads tab, install Google account manager settings, allow the source and go back, install it. This do it, it will work now. So now you have to click on done and click on bypass it, installing now and open this. And so now click on three dot browse sign in, okay. So now here you can see Gmail sign in. Click on Gmail and you have to sign in any Gmail already you have to created. So now you can see here, and now you have to input your password. Guys, when you input your password then sign in. Here is task completed. Now you have to do next what. So now you have to restart your mobile. You can see here restart your mobile. It is restarting now. If you like my videos then subscribe my channel. So now you can see here interface. Guys, now start this setup and complete this. You can see here when you start click just a second, it will work now. Checking for update, this may take, okay. Set up a new account, edited, next, getting account information, do it. It will take 2 minutes or 1 minute, just a second. Now you can see here escape now and not now, escape anyway. Checking, scroll down, more, I agree, no thanks, adding, finish, touch. Guys, if you like my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Don't skip subscription. Thank you guys. So now I am going to next videos. If you like my channel, then subscribe my channel. Don't forget it. When you got any problem, you can see here in my channel. Bye and take care. You can see here itel S11 Pro.